Welcome to Lincolnshire Explored and Exposed, #1 for Lincolnshire on YouTube.
You just know this car would have gone around that bollard, apart from the fact there was some people crossing. Could have been really bad accident, that.
Okay, now.
Recommendation for choosing home improvements and advice from friends or family saving time and money. We've been providing superior replacement
Useless
windows and
fucker.
doors, conservatory.
Right, let's talk parking. How many fucking numpties are there on the road? No idea. Just slap it anywhere. Really? What a dumbass move.
Longer evenings with EETV and give your TV and film the ultimate flex.
Now I can watch all my crime dramas.
While we've got Boxing Day footy on. That's right. Switch up subscriptions with Netflix, Now, Discovery Plus, and loads more.
Look at that, look. Loads of parking spaces, but I make me own.
Sign
No,
me
man.
up.
Switch to our award-winning bundles today.
As for parking, I think the worst ones going are these damn delivery drivers. Don't give a toss where they put them. What a fucking place to park. Fucking delivery drivers. These are fucking dickheads. Absolute fucking morons. Oh my god, look at that fucking for parking. What the fucking hell's wrong with some people? Here we go. Biggest morons going. There's a pissing car park. Loads of parking spaces. Windows on both sides of the car, so old fatty there could have stood the other side. But yeah, get in a parking space. Stop blocking up the bloody road. Absolute mongrels. Oh, sat on a corner. Fucking moron. Image is that. Look at that stopping there, look. What an absolute fucking dickhead. Are you moving? What are you doing? This idiot. I thought it was actually at the junction. But no. Blocking the end off. Fucking knobhead. Another big bugbear. People that can't use an indicator. Turn him right. No, straight on. This muppet. It's just like getting the right lane. It's not hard. Fucking BMW driver though, innit? It's come right on the wrong side of the fucking road. Fucking dizzy. Fucking old fucking crazy. Knobhead. Well, that was more than a red light, wasn't it? Lock the video. People drive around with blinkers on all day. Fucking hell's that, you knobhead? Jesus. Knobhead. fucking prick. Indicator does not give you right away, knobsack. What? You joking? Fuck.
No.
I'm a stupid bitch. You can't even wait a few seconds. I'm already at the side of the back. Pedestrians, when they don't even look, they just stroll across, casually walking, not a care in the world, until they get hit by a car and then know it's all your fault. How hard is it just to clear your windows in the morning? Fucking ridiculous. Right, being misty. Oh, someone's been growing some weed. There's a surprise. Could smell it from a mile away. Lock the video.
Video protected.
I watch these bloody cyclists. They want a 1.5 meters gap, but that squeeze their asses through. Knobheads. No reason at all. This car coming towards me. Look at that. Veered straight across the middle line. No reason. Well, apart from he's using his phone, no doubt. Always the four rings of privilege. Got that out another 2.6 convertible. It's not an MX-5, but still a very nice car. No idea what this car is at all.
Well, thanks for watching. Please click the like and subscribe buttons as it really does help the channel and it's totally free. See you next time. Bye.